front piece off and removed the top piece here. It's just these two pieces here. You push out, squeeze, and pull one out. Top one's already open. It has expansion spots here to add more stuff, depending on what you want to add. Alright, so we'll go ahead and release this top one, and we'll go ahead and grab our, we'll push and hold on this and slide it back and forth until it locks into place. Alright, now that we've got that done, we're going to go ahead and also install our additional fan, which is going to be on the front here. So this particular fan, it comes with screws. Our little baggie here comes with 4 screws, and this is a 3 or 4 pin. The 3 pin here, which, let me undo this. The 3 pin here is to hook it directly to your motherboard. You let the motherboard control the fan speed and whatever else. And it comes with this 3 pin to 4 pin adapter. So you can have it on high speed all the time. That's what we're going to use. We're going to use it on a high speed at all time. This is going to be a gaming system. So the better the cooling for the system, the better off we're going to be. So we'll just go ahead and slide that cord back through there. Grab some screws. Alright. Now, the screws that it comes with for this front one will not work. They're not long enough. Fortunately, our case comes with a bunch of different screws. Has screws for the motherboard, it comes with your offsets, it comes with your little screws, your big screws. However, the screws that we need, oops, not going on the ground here, are these long ones to go through the entire fan and into the case. Goes into this slot here, and we will go ahead and screw that in. This needs to be hand tight. Don't want to break the plastic. How's that? There we go. Now you can see. Alright. Alright. So we'll just add the last of these screws. Tighten it up. And move this here. Alright, we have our second fan installed here. And next we will install our hard drive. Grab the hard drive over here and take it out of its anti-static bag, and I'm going to use one of these to put it in. And as you can see, it will just slip in. There we go. Slip it in. And you can see you have your two screw holes here for your screws. So we'll just grab a couple of our screws here. Let's see here. There we go. They need to be very tight. It's tight enough to hold it. There you go. And that will hold it. Now we have to remember the top, the very first slot here is the hot slot. Hot swap drive. So we're going to put it in the next one down. Alright. Now, as you can see, you have your hot swap bay still available. And you have your hard drive in. And you still have room for 4 more internal hard drives. You can add an SSD, another couple of single terabytes, maybe put in some more, put in other terabytes or whatever else that you would like to put in there. But it's just very easy and simple to take out and add your hard drives. Very simple. All you're going to do is take this and slide it in underneath that little lip on the case right there. Shove it back. Alright. And push it until it's flush. You have a piece. You need to get it under right here too as well. So just push it underneath, and to do that you can get it flush. And as you can see back here, nice and neat. And there's, push it over, there we go. And there's the screw holes for securing the power supply to the case. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and take these screws here and we'll strut them in by hand. Getting everything powered. Alright. There are going to be some things that you're going to have to keep in mind when you're doing this. Okay, you have a fan here on the side. Alright. You have a fan up here on the top. You got room for one more, which we will be installing. And you have a fan that goes down here in the bottom. So you have to keep all that in mind while you're routing your stuff. So in order for us to make a good power cable management, we're going to have to open up the other side of this case. Alright, now that that's done, now that that's done, we can work on power cable management. Alright, so we're going to have this one, which will be going to... Alright, we're going to have this one here, which will be powering our video card. So that one we need. We have our 20+4 pin here for powering it, so that one we need. And we have our 8 pin for our supplemental power supply. So the 20+4 is going to go here. You have your 6 that goes here, and then all the way over on the other side over here, this is your 8 pin. And you're going to want to keep this as clean as possible. Alright. So this, there's not much you can do with this to make it clean, get that out of the way. So we're just going to go ahead and plug this in. Alright, that's plugged in. I'll just go ahead and do that there for now. Alright. This particular piece here presents a problem. How do you run this one up here? Well, I've installed the video card. Well, I'm going to have to take it out because there's a little gap back here in the video card, right back in here. And I can run the cable underneath here and up there and install it and make it clean. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this. Video card. And up there for now, and that as well. So I'll go ahead and move that. Alright, now that we got that out, I'm just going to go ahead and run it like that. So it's going to be that spot, and then go ahead and just push that back in there. Alright, and we'll take our screw and put it